Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start now, check your iPhone iOS version and confirm a recent backup. This prevents data loss. Once done, locate the sound you want in Files or create it in GarageBand. Make sure it's under 40 seconds for notifications. Now open Settings, tap Sounds and Haptics. You need to be in the right menu to assign tones. This step gets you into the system audio controls so you can choose or add a custom notification sound quickly and safely. Next, import your audio into GarageBand or use Files with a shortcut. You do this because iPhone requires ringtone format. Once in GarageBand, trim the clip to the needed length and set tempo if required. Make sure the start point is correct. Then choose Share, select Ringtone, and export with a clear name so you can find it. After exporting, you'll be prompted to use the sound as standard ringtone or assign it. Don't pick ringtone unless that's your goal. Finally, assign the tone. Open Settings, go to Sounds and Haptics, then pick the specific alert type like text tone or an app sound. Find your custom tone under ringtones. Once done, tap it to apply and test with a message or alert. If the tone doesn't appear, restart the iPhone, re-export the ringtone from GarageBand, and check Settings Sounds for tones permissions. If problems persist, re-import the file and avoid unsupported formats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.